I am going to discuss some very important questions regarding the rules of English grammars on the correct use of some of the adjectives. This is very essential for the students of class 8 to 12. So let us start first. The word that is adjective, little, a little. There is a little hope of her recovery. It means the hope is almost not. That is the negative sentence. To express the negative sense here, we the little is using. So here you have to keep in your mind the only little means it is almost not, and a little care would prevent the accident. So here affirmative, that is, if a little cares would be taken, then the accident could be avoided. So it means not, almost not, but at least. In the same ways, the few and a few persons get such a chance. That is, it is also in the negative sense. Almost nobody has got this chance. But if we use a few persons, non-Indian can't speak Hindi, it means there are some persons who can speak the Hindis. So it is in the affirmative sense. Next, in question number 3 is every, either, neither. Each of the two boys has a book. It means that one of the two, and each boy of the class was given a prize. Here, one of any number more than 2, অর্থাৎ out of more than 2 in a classroom, maybe 40 students, 60 students, that is each and everybody. This is the difference. Every seat was copied, because yes, it would be occupied. Every seat was occupied. So all the seat more than 2. He came to see us every day during the holidays. During the holidays, he regularly comes. Here means more than the 2 things and persons. There we used the use that is every. Either has 2 meaning. The word either is used into 2 sense. First, that is any one, and then the any one of the 2, and secondly the both. There are trees of either side of the road. So either side, in both the side of the road, trees are available. Then see, look at this sentence. Look at this sentence. Either pen will do. That is, any of the 2, out of the 2, any one is to work. Then neither is the negative sense of the eithers. Neither of the 2 statement is true. That is, out of the 2 statements, neither is correct one. Then in point number 4, you are familiar with the word older, oldest, elder, eldest. Here the matters which is very important to keep in your mind that he is the elder sons of my elder brother. So here eldest sons of whose my elder brother. This is the family's relationship, and the positions of the family is to meant by use. And here another important thing is then is not used before the elder comparative forms. So let us see the example. This mango tree is older than that of the apple tree. So here's to mean the more age between these two. But here's the elder and eldest was in a family relationship. Next, Ram is the oldest boy in the class. So, in a class, the oldest has been used here, so not eldest, because there is no family relations under positions. It means the greatest age. Ram is the highest age in the class. Next important matter is to each other and one another's. Each other and one another's. So two boys hit each other. It means that is the actions was being transferred between two persons, or it may be also in two things. Then we use the terms is other. So each other is used between two. And while little children love one another, so it means that is the more than two persons or things. So here we tell that is the one another. So one another's and each other. I hope it is complete, clear to you. Now in 6, mass and meaning. Here it is very simple. Mass, we had not mass water. So water is a single uncountable single noun. To mean such we use the mass. And in case of the counter, suppose many boys are not present there. So here many is used because it means a number, that is the countable. Countable, how many boys we can count. Next, see the less and fewer. Less and fewer. Here we do not sell less than 5 kilo of sugar. So here not less than 5 kilos to mean amount uncountable, that is the things. Here is sugar. Sugar cannot be counted. That's why here amount, that is used the less. No fewer than 40 students are present in the class. Here to means not less than 40 students, and it is countable also. So some and any. Some is used, that is some money in my purse, to mean that affirmative. Some money is there, though the amount is not more, but it is not negative, it is affirmative. See the next example. Did you see any women at a meeting? Here too means the negative sense. Any is used is to express negative sense. So dear students, hope you have got some important tips to use this adjective. Thank you very much.